Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome. So, in today's trading session for Monday, October 31st, 2022, we attacked the SPY. So, let's just kind of go over this. You see right there, you see my margin account, full margin account right there. Come over here. Well, if it says partially delayed data, you guys already know 3 years running. Stock is in real time. Amex, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real time feeds. You can see it right there. Equity options, real time. Futures and futures options. I don't trade them. There's many ways for me to look at the feeds. So the feeds are delayed for me. It's a little bit of a restriction, and I don't really mind it. I don't care. Forex, real time. Others in real time. So real time account. So what did we do this morning? First thing that we always do is we always draw the box. If you don't draw the box, you don't know what's going to be happening with the trade that you're going to be taking. And you know that I teach you religiously about drawing the box. What's the box? Once again, the box is volatility. The box is price action. The box is support and resistance. It is a compressed time frame for you to be able to know whether or not to take your trade. So if the position opens up under the box, we're going short, plain and simple. It opens above the box, we're going long, plain and simple. This is probably about a 92 to 95% success probability, which is extremely high. It's religious. I draw it out for every trade that I do. If I don't draw it out, I'm winging it, and you never want to wing it when it comes to option trading or stock trading. You want to know exactly what's going on, right? And then you see right here, this is my support and resistance from Friday, because this is where everything closed, right? So that's what the box is. It's the last hour of the previous trading session. It is the high price, it is the low price print, it is the close price print, and is also the 200. So whatever is higher or lower, that is the box. So we see right here, here's my 200. You're seeing it right here. It's completely red in pre-market. You see my 20 right here, it's green. Then it turned yellow right here, it's going down. What happened when the SPY opened up? Well, that's where it opened up. Under the box and under the low for the day and in pre-market. So it's just a strong position. That being said, you see here all this chop. I'm waiting for all this chop to level itself out, because you see here the SPY opened up down here, but then it ripped all the way back up here. So I'm waiting for this, right? Remember what I always teach you. Let the trade develop. Let the trade come to you. Don't chase the trade. If you don't let the trade develop, you chase the trade, you're going to get burnt. It's just one of those things, right? So I practice what I preach. So for those of you, let's see here. So for those of you that are on social media that are watching this is my end of the day trading recap. This is the trade I sent out to my Platinum X Power option trader groups. Bought to open 31 October 22, SPY 386 strike put. You don't need to know what we paid for it. That's what my guys and girls know, what they paid for it. You want to know what we paid for it, join the course. You know, and this is the amount of contracts I told my guys to get. You don't need to know that either. Looking for 25% profit. Stop loss is 15% on this option trade. These expire today. Don't hold to the end of the day. Unless you want to own the SPY, totally up to you. I don't want to own anything right now, not in this bear market, right? So that's the text alert right there. And you see right over here, I put the SPY over here on the option because this is how I trade it. You see it right there, and you see the massive amount of volume here flying through the SPY. And over here on my right side of my chart, this is the 3-day, 2-hour chart. So this is telling me exactly what's going on. So MAC, RSI, volume, and money flow, right? And then I come over here. Keep your chart deadly simple. Keep it so that you can see it. I have volume profile over here. This lets me know supply and demand. So this lets me know overhead supply, underbelly demand, volatility. These are liquidity nodes, so it tells me exactly where institutions and hedge funds and prop firms want to get in. Let's have a look at the market, because the market is just a mess, right? So we're totally red all day. It's just the market's going down. Now, how do we look at this market? Well, I'm going to show you how we look at the market, right? So let's come over here. Let's come over to the NASDAQ 100 so you see what's going on. What's the advanced decline line? Well, clearly it shows you right here, 88, so 90 to 13, right? So we're in a full-blown bear market. This is something, and I look at this every day, right? You know the progression that I go through. I go through the NASDAQ 100, right? I go through the Russell 3000. So that you see that there. What's the advanced decline line? 1600 to 900, right? I go through the S&P 100, right? 80-20, you see it right there. Then I go through the S&P 500, and I go through futures, and that's how I know exactly what's going on with the marketplace, and that's how you should know what's going on with the marketplace as well. If you don't look at this information, you're doing yourself a massive disservice, right? If you don't understand what's going on, you don't take your positions, and you don't know how to look at positions, look at the marketplace, you're doing yourself a massive disservice, right? And you see what I got right here. The option chain is just telling me exactly what's going on with my position. So I guess obviously you want to know what I made today, no problem. So today, what did I make? So that's what I made today. I took a big position, which I always take big positions. 30.77%, $4,900. That's my day. Done. Don't copy and steal my shit. So this is Double P. I hope you took the trade today for my Platinum X Power Option Trader members. We got some new members in, so this is why I'm going over a little bit longer the end of the day trade recap so they can understand and see what's going on. All this stuff here is in version 2. All this stuff here is in version 3. You just got to walk through the course so that you get to version 3 so you can see all the stuff. Version 2 has everything minus the box and a couple other ninja stuff that I do, but you go through the course, take your time, don't rush yourself, never rush the trade, never rush. I'm spoon feeding you the trade, so don't worry about anything. All you need to do is watch literally the first section to learn how to place the trade, and that's all you need to learn. And then let myself and my team do everything else. We do all the heavy lifting for you. We spoon feed you the trades. All you got to do is learn how to place the trade. That's it. All right? Follow the text alert. Learn how to place a trade. I'll do everything else for you. I'll make you money. That being said, everybody else that's all watching us on social media, you like to join a group, you'll see where the website, the link is to join the group. Those are my members that are watching the end of the day trading recap. You know how we roll. So that's it from Double P. Over and out. Take care. I'll see you in the next trading session.